How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can watch Naruto Shippuden in English, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You might be trying to search for Naruto Shippuden in English version on the Netflix app, but unfortunately Netflix doesn't offer you in English dub. It does give you the subtitles but not in English. But there is a platform called Crunchyroll which is completely legal, and there are some free versions and there are the premium versions and plan as well. So you can actually go to crunchyroll.com over here. When you go to crunchyroll.com, you can search for Naruto Shippuden and then you can watch it in English inside Crunchyroll. So you can have an account, you can start your trial, or you can also choose to start your premium plan and you should be able to watch them. This way you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.